So you're willing to add a portfolio link directly into LinkedIn. The process actually is going to be really easily. The first thing you want to be doing here is to make sure that you have access directly inside the actual LinkedIn. Once you have access directly inside here, what you want to do is to sign in. Once you have correctly signed in, I'm going to go directly into my actual profile. Inside the actual profile, I will be going for the first thing first. Of course, the much more fastest way is to focus into my profile page. So if I go for me, I'm going to go for view the profile. Now it's going to be really important to look out for the pencil that you can be finding directly inside here. When you click directly to this actual pencil, you can see that sometimes you have the actual custom linked text that you can be adding directly inside here. So for example, here I have the contact information, and inside here, for example, we have the birthday and you have the website element. When I click into add website, we have the website URL. Now here, for example, we have an actual link of the Behance that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go for share the actual project, and I'm going to be looking out for the actual URL so I can be copying this information and paste it directly into LinkedIn. So we'll be pasting now the website's URL. Make sure that we have more than www. We have the HTTPS and we have the www.behance.net, and here's my actual username. Here I have the website type. For example, this is an actual blog, company, other, personal, portfolio. In this case, this is an actual portfolio. So just select that element and look out for the element that says save. When you finish inside this element, it will be appearing into save was successful, and look out for the element that says save. In this case, it will be asking me to just add more about myself. In this case, let's go for design services and go for save, and we're actually good to go. Now, as you can see inside my actual account, we have the actual link of ourselves directly into our account. So as you can see, it's now appearing inside my website. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, with all that's been said, we can all see you all next time.